guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be creating this really easy, quick BeetleJuice makeup look for you. So if you want to see that, then keep watching. So if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, then why not hit that big red subscribe button down below this video or over on my YouTube channel. Got in with some moisturizer. I'm going to go in with a primer next, and the one I'm taking is by Rimmel and it's called Fix and Perfect, and it just looks like that. So I'm going to take a really pale foundation, and this one is in porcelain and it is in the PS Pro range, and it's by Primark, and it just looks like that. Foundation using a translucent powder, which just looks like that. And I'm going to set that translucent powder using my Real Techniques powder brush. I'm going to go and concentrate on the eyes next, and I'm going to take a paint pot in Soft Ochre by MAC, which just looks like that. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit closer so you can see what I'm doing on the eyes. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that paint pot in Soft Ochre, which is this one. So I'm going to take that Carnival palette again, which I am totally obsessed with. And I'm going to take this Guilty shade here, and I'm going to apply that to the crease of the eyelid. I'm going to go in with Wasted. Take a little bit of Chant, which is next I'm going to take Liqueur, which is this deep purple shade here. Apply the exact same shades to the lower lash line as well. So I've just applied a green eyeliner to my forehead and just to the sides of my face here along my cheeks. I have that shade called Envy, that deep green. I'm just going to go in with a Wet n Wild lipstick, and this one is called Sea Seduction, and it just looks like that. Wet n Wild lipstick to my lips, which is this one here, and it is in Pastel Grunge. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't be afraid to give me a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Till next time, bye!